The panicking President Emmerson Mnangagwa government Monday deployed undercover military intelligence agents and the riot police in Harare, central business district, and crushed any individual suspected to be part of today's planned national shutdown. Undercover soldiers wachitene riot police woflada mu Harare. Panguva ino tikuona kuti kunyange manumbers ari kuingiridzwa vachiprotesta, but tikuona kutiwo the regime iri kuingiridzwa maforces ari kuchisalenza vanhu. Ndoti go subscribe like on the bell icon. Tipinda panapa muZim News vanobuda vanyora vachiti the directive comes in response to growing public discontent fueled by war veteran blessed Geza, whose recent scathing remarks against President Emmerson Mnangagwa's administration have galvanized opposition supporters. Geza has been vocal in calling for mass protests against Mnangagwa's leadership, citing economic mismanagement, rampant corruption, and a worsening human rights record. Government's heavy-handed response signals its determination to suppress any form of dissent, as authorities remain wary of growing opposition sentiment. Previous protests have been met with brutal crackdowns, and today's demonstrations are expected to be no different. Despite the intimidation tactics, opposition activists insisted they will proceed with the demonstrations, accusing Mnangagwa's government of using state machinery to silence dissent. The coming hours will reveal whether the security clampdown will deter protesters or embolden them further in their defiance. Thomas Vanubdanyo Panapa to not our one vacherne hope yekuti maprotest aiwa achava successful, vanoramba vachingofighta back. Kunyange maforces panguva ino achiflada nema undercover soldiers vachiuya vachiintimidira macitizens kuti varege kuprotesta. Tikuona now izvezvi vanhu vakunaiwa nemawater cannons aya ane mvura inovava panguva ino ndo akutenderera manje. Panapa zvinyanzi kunokunzi the situation is increasingly going tense. Tudze mafunguro enyu muri kudi pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Kada comment section yedu mudze mafunguro enyu. Subscribe or like, turn on the bell icon.